Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to download and install latest version PyCharm IDE in your Windows 11 operating system. So let's start my video. Before installing PyCharm IDE, we need to download the PyCharm IDE. So here I am first of download PyCharm IDE. I am using here Chrome browser for downloading PyCharm IDE. You can use any browser. In the search bar, type PyCharm download and search it. After searching, several websites will be open. Now you can just click on the first website. After clicking, you can see this window. Here you just click on the download button to download PyCharm IDE. Before clicking download button and download PyCharm IDE, you can select your operating system. I am using here Windows operating system. So select Windows, then click download button to download the PyCharm IDE. After clicking download button, you can see here our download will be started. We have already downloaded this file, so cancel this file and go to our download folder and see the installation process of PyCharm IDE. Now you can see here our download will be completed and our PyCharm IDE will downloaded. So just double click on this ID and run this file. Accept all term and condition. Just click on the next button, again next button, and here select all of the above. After selecting, just click on next button, then click on the install button and wait some time for installing. If your PC is very fast, then let wait few seconds for downloading installing. So our installation will be completed. Just select I want to manually reboot later and click on the finish button to finish it. You can see your desktop icon. Just open and see the how to create Python programming in PyCharm IDE. Select do not import setting and OK. Create your first project. So click on the new project. Here you can type your location where you want to save your projects and project name. And before installing the PyCharm IDE, you must be download and install Python in your PC and laptop. So before installing PyCharm IDE, you must be download and install Python. How to download Python in your Windows 11 operating system? I have already made this video. Link will be in description. You can watch this video and download the Python files. So simply click on the create button to create new project. Wait some time. You can see here our project will be created and our run button will be visible. Just click on the run button to run this file and see the by default right here program hi PyCharm, and you can see here our output will be visible hi PyCharm. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more notifications.